Is your laptop not looking quite as sparkly and shiny as it once was? Check out these top cleaning tricks to make it look new. There are few things better than unboxing a shiny new device like a laptop. Out of the box, your new machine will look and feel absolutely perfect, without a blemish in sight. But this never lasts. So, what can you do when you want to clean up your laptop and make it look as good as new? Join us as we explore a range of tips that will help you to restore your laptop like never before. 10 cleaning tricks to make your laptop look like new. One, use solution to clean your laptop display. It can be all too easy to ignore a grubby laptop screen when you use it in a dimly lit space. Once sunlight hits the display though, all the smudges, smears, and other stains will show up, making your laptop hard to use. This is a simple problem to solve, and an off-the-shelf screen cleaning solution can save the day. Once you have a bottle, apply a small amount to a microfiber cloth, and gently rub it in circles on the face of your laptop display. For more details, check out our guide to help you to clean your laptop screen. 2. Making a DIY screen cleaning solution. But what if you need to clean your laptop screen now? We understand. You can make your own DIY laptop screen cleaning solution with ingredients you might already have at home. Filling a spray bottle halfway with isopropyl alcohol, and topping it off with distilled water makes an excellent DIY screen cleaner. You can also use vinegar in this recipe to great effect. Once you have a solution prepared, you can use it on your laptop screen in the same way you would use an off-the-shelf solution. 3. Wiping down your laptop keyboard keys. Typing on dirty laptop keys is something that most people find unpleasant. This makes cleaning the tops of your keys a priority, especially if you do a lot of typing. Using a slightly damp cloth, you can wipe down each key to clean it. You can use soap for this, though you need to be careful to avoid removing the legends while cleaning your laptop keyboard. 4. Using compressed air to clean beneath your laptop keyboard keys. Cleaning the top of your laptop keys will make them look clean, but you will still be able to feel the dirt beneath them. So what about the stuff underneath the keys? Compressed air is one of the best tools for a job like this. After shaking the can, you can use the long nozzle to force air into the tight gaps between the keys. This will force dust, crumbs, and other debris out of the keyboard. 5. Removing your laptop keys for cleaning. If you are feeling brave, you could also remove the keys from your keyboard to give the whole thing a comprehensive cleaning. To do so safely, check out our detailed guide to cleaning under your keyboard's keys, which includes a section on laptop keyboards. 6. Removing dust from fan and speaker vents with Q-tips. It doesn't take long for the fan and speaker vents on your laptop to get clogged with dust. Not only does this impact the performance of your machine, but it also looks unsightly. Q-tips come in very handy when you are cleaning speaker and fan vents, giving you a fine tool to get into the thin cracks. Moistening your Q-tip will make dust stick to it, but you have to be extremely careful to avoid getting the inside of the laptop wet. 7. Removing dust with blue/white tack. Found in many superstores, products like blue and white tack are designed for hanging posters, but they can also clean your laptop. By pressing materials like this into your speaker and fan vents, you can remove dust and debris without water. 8. Removing scratches from laptop plastics. Plastic is a common material in the world of laptop manufacturing, but it is soft and scratches very easily. Deep scratches will often be impossible to remove, but you can buff lighter ones out. Start by cleaning the scratched surface with a damp cloth, before applying a mild abrasive like toothpaste or plastic polish. Rub the paste or polish into the plastic in a circular motion until the scratch has been buffed out. 9. Cleaning stains from aluminum laptop parts. Many common laptops, like the Apple MacBook, use aluminum in their design. While it looks great out of the box, aluminum is easily stained by the oils on your skin, making it look dull over time. You can buy aluminum polish that will solve this problem, but you can also make your own polish at home using a mixture that is half vinegar and half water. Apply your polish to a microfiber cloth and buff out the stains by rubbing in tight circles. 10. Keeping your laptop clean and fresh. So, after all this work, it's unlikely that you will want to let your laptop fall back into the state it was once in. There are several steps to take that will make it easier to keep your laptop clean and fresh. Wash your hands. While it may sound simple, keeping your hands clean will always help to maintain a fresh keyboard. No food allowed. Food is one of the key culprits when it comes to dirty laptops. Don't eat around your laptop and you're sure to notice the difference. Use a laptop bag or sleeve. Storing your laptop in a dedicated bag is a great way to make sure that it stays clean. If you prefer to use one bag for all your belongings, you can use a sleeve to keep your laptop clean inside it. Add a laptop screen protector. Using a screen protector on your laptop will help to keep the screen clean, while also protecting it from scratches. Use a laptop skin. Laptop skins are like car wraps, only designed to fit a laptop. Skins like this protect your laptop from scratches and stains, all while making the machine look great. Make your laptop look like new. The work that you put into making your laptop look new will always pay off, making your device a pleasure to use. You can always do something to make a machine like this clean and fresh, and you probably have the tools you need to do it. If you find this video content useful, please click like, share and subscribe to the channel to not miss the good content in the next episodes. See you.